For a natural look, I'm using a brown lip liner to frame the lips. Although my model has a pigmentation on her lips, a dark colored lip, using the lip liner will keep the lip color from feathering outwards beyond the lips. Blend the edges of the lip liner with a clean lip brush. It may look as though it's not visible, especially for this dark lip. In makeup application, a little goes a long way and everything all adds up in the end. I'm using a soft pink lip gloss, deposited at the back of my hand, picked with the same lip brush and applied on her lips. I love my model's natural lip color. A lip balm or a clear gloss can simply be applied. Very little effort is required for a natural look for a lip color like hers. To apply a red lip color or another lip color, gently dab on a paper towel to remove the lip gloss. It's very important to note that when wearing a red lippy or a red lipstick, being too glossy, we apply like it's bleeding. I'm going to go over the lips again with a brown lip pencil. You can either apply the lipstick with a lip brush, especially for your clients, or directly from the tube. I'm using a moisturizing red lipstick on my model, so no lip gloss is necessary afterwards. Next, you use a lip brush to blend the edges and fill in any gaps to give a smooth application.